Welcome to Viewers Mistakes number 2.
And, you know, ever since I had a baby and a wife, I just switched it around, and so now if I can find my Rolex in a New York cab and
That was just a simple lack of attention.
lose something else crazy and it comes.
I told you I was going to get involved with this series. This is me, obviously, in the Tesla, and I'm going home. I'm approaching one of the roundabouts on Southport Road in Bootle, and I'm going to let you do the analysis. Let's have a look in real time first of all. Let's have a look at that one again and see the path that BMW took. There it is. Now, you tell me whether this was a mistake or did I do a decent job. They did put their hand up to say sorry, but that doesn't mean I didn't make a mistake. I'm open to any criticism. This clip is a little similar to the first one we saw, but I think there's a different reason for this. The first one was just inattentiveness. This one is just tagging on to the vehicles in front.
Turn right onto Rossmore Road.
That was my fault.
That would have been pretty heavy, that collision.
In 300 yards, turn left onto Harewood Avenue.
It's a great idea to park in to calm down, but why isn't here a good idea?
I made a mistake, so yeah, I have to give way because if both are at the same time, I can't stop it.
It's pretty obvious my viewer didn't really know what went on.
It's a double red I can get fine if I stop.
Situations like this can shake you up, and a massive thanks and well done for sending this in to my viewer.
I'm alright.
In this clip, my viewer totally understood that going after someone flashes the lights was the wrong thing, and it nearly causes a collision. Think of a flash as nothing more than look at me. In this clip, my viewer is emerging onto a main carriageway up at the top of this slip road, and they make quite a big mistake. Although, if I was the driver of the Audi, I would have helped out a bit more. They were obviously angry with themselves, but what part did the silver van coming through on the left play in this incident? Please let me know in the comments. In this clip, my viewer knew that they were travelling way too close to the Royal Mail van in front. And when you combine that with someone behind not paying attention, you nearly have a collision. Keep space to the vehicle in front and it keeps you much safer. And even after this near miss, no one seems to have learnt the lesson. My viewer had been following this tractor and trailer for quite a while, so impatience may have played a part in this overtake.
Which stands for visual flight rules, so he's looking out of the window to navigate. It differs from the way he flew into Nantes from Cardiff 3 days.
Let's have a quick look at that one again. This time I'm going to turn the audio up a little and I'd like you to watch my viewer's speed. I don't think they utilised low enough gear to have quick enough acceleration for this overtake.
Which stands for visual flight rules, so he's looking out of the window to navigate. It differs from the way he flew into Nantes from Cardiff 3 days earlier.
Learning exactly how quickly your car can accelerate is an important skill. This clip is quite an interesting one. Is this really a viewer's mistake? Is it a deluded driver, or is it someone on a wind-up? In any case, this is one of the worst sections of driving I've seen in a long while. It sounds as though there's a young child in the car also. If I'd have had more details, this would have gone straight to the police. My viewer admitted also being a little fast.
Why are you going quick?
But I doubt the original words was self-analysis. Some really nice footage from a VFO A119. Please check out my affiliate links in the description. Meanwhile, my viewer isn't looking round the corner far enough. Remember, don't look where your vehicle is, look where it's going to be in 5 to 10 seconds. The indicator on the trailer of this lorry wasn't particularly clear, but would you have missed the one on the cab? And more importantly, would you have gone down this left side of this lorry? This viewer's mistake is probably down to the same reasoning from the clip with the nice VFO footage. They're not looking far enough. If this ever happens to you, please park in and check your wheel and tyre. The last thing you need is to go on a faster road and then have a blowout. I'd like to say a big thanks to my viewer for sending in this footage of his wife's crash. They're both happy for this footage to be shown, so hopefully people can learn from it and not make the same mistake. These two road markings are pretty crucial. Lane 1 cannot go any further round to the right. But my viewer's wife's in lane 1. This is exactly what she tries to do. If you're ever in doubt, pick a right-sided lane to continue further round a roundabout. You could always go round and then try your exit for the second time. Never gamble going right from the left lane. For this final clip, I'd like to just give this message. Most of us drivers have done something similar to this at least once in our driving lives. The lucky get away with it, but it's only the good drivers who don't do it again. Remember, most of the viewers who have sent these clips in have held their hands up to the mistakes, in the hope that other people don't make the same ones. Keep safe everyone, I'll see you soon.